The southern magnolia is known for more than just its elegant white flowers. It also has dark green leaves with a nice brown color underneath. These unique leaves make wonderful foliage for adorning a holiday wreath. Before beginning, you should make sure you have the proper supplies for creating the wreath. This includes pruning shears, a wire wreath base, bow, wire, and wire cutters. The first step is to cut segments off branches of the magnolia tree using some shears. You may want to shake out the branches before bringing them inside to eliminate bugs. Next, you want to cut the branches so that you have small clumps of leaves to fasten to the wreath. Next, you can begin wrapping wire around the stems and the wreath base. You want to layer the leaves so that the wire wreath does not show. Continue fastening the stems until the wreath is complete. You can also add a bow to the wreath to add some festive color. Fasten it using wire. And you want to add a loop at the top of the wreath for hanging on your door. The finished product is perfect for adding charm to your home using local Florida foliage. Happy holidays from everyone at the Florida Master Gardener Volunteer Program.